In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Subscript in WPS Office. Using Subscript correctly is essential when working with formulas, chemical symbols, mathematical expressions, or any content where certain characters need to appear slightly lower than the rest of the text. With WPS Office, this formatting option is easy to apply once you understand where to find it and how it works. Begin by opening your document in WPS Office and navigating to the part of the text you want to modify. Carefully highlight the number or character that you want to convert into Subscript. Making sure the correct character is selected is important because the formatting will only apply to the highlighted text and not the entire sentence or paragraph. Once the text is highlighted, move your attention to the Home tab in the Editing menu. This is where most of the text formatting tools are located. Within this section, look for the Subscript option. Instead of clicking the icon directly, locate the small drop-down beside it. This drop-down gives you more control over how the formatting is applied. Click the drop-down next to the Subscript option and you will see the available choices. From here, select Subscript. As soon as you make your selection, the highlighted text will automatically shift into Subscript format. The character will appear slightly lower and smaller, clearly distinguishing it from the rest of the text. This formatting change helps keep your document accurate and visually organized, especially when working with technical or academic content. If you ever need to switch between Subscript and Superscript, you can use the same drop-down and choose the appropriate option based on your needs. Just remember to always highlight the specific character before applying the formatting. If you want to adjust additional characters, simply repeat the same process. Highlight the text, go back to the Home tab, open the drop-down beside the Subscript option, and select the formatting you want. This ensures consistency throughout your document and prevents accidental changes to other text. Taking a moment to review your formatting after applying Subscript can help you catch any mistakes early and keep your document looking clean and professional. Small details like this make a big difference in readability and presentation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.